you could think about our work and when we're launching and when we're, when work should only be when the conversation should only be about work and how much to bring in your personal lives, how much to share or not. And there's all sorts of reasons, in terms of whether you're feeling judged about what people whether your personal life is anybody's business or not. But I will say that two things. One is sometimes we have defined times, like in an airplane below 10,000 feet, we call that sterile cockpit. And that means because when we're crossing the country at 41,000 feet, I mean, you have time to figure things out, and there's not a lot of moments, and so you can actually have a conversation about how you're doing or what's training like, or that you wish your husband hadn't said whatever this morning, right? Um, so there are times, but below in the sort of that environment when you're going to be landing and talking and all those things, that's a sterile cockpit. Um, but I will say that when you live at work, but I think that often doctors are and your staff, you're spending a lot of your time at work. Um, in terms of teamwork, the personal things actually tended to be the things that knitted us. When I've been really different from somebody else, finding out that actually the guy who's just so straight-laced and everything is yes, no, and whatever, and that he actually lives on farmland, outside the space center, and that on there he's got a couple kids, and they have donkeys and cows, and his kids are farm kids, and he really loves that. And it's a side that I never understood about him for years because I never asked. And there's sometimes that there's these personal things that can actually help make a bridge between you professionally to be better at being a team.
Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this conversation has given you a preview of what's ahead at SMA's annual scientific assembly in Houston this year in November. We've built an engaging program designed to inform you, inspire you, and connect you with colleagues. Visit sma.org or scan the QR code to explore the full agenda and register. We would be delighted to have you join us.